In this video, we will learn about reference. A reference feature is available only in C++. This is not a part of C language. So let us understand reference. A reference is a nickname given to a variable or alias given to a variable. Let me write and show you. Suppose this is a function. So I am using a main function. Suppose already I have a variable, some name A, and it is having value 10. So how it looks like inside the main memory is, this is the main function inside the code section, and inside its stack frame there is a variable having value name A and with value 10. Suppose there is some code in main function. Now inside this I want to have a reference to that variable A. So the method of declaring a reference is int. I will use the variable name as R. R is a reference. You can use any name. I'm using R. Now how to make it as a reference? Write ampersand just before the variable name. See, nothing in before the variable name, it's a data variable. Star before the variable name, it's a pointer. Ampersand before the variable name, it's a reference. Now this reference must be initialized when declared. This is the declaration and assigned with A. So this is initialized with A. So what does it mean when you have a reference that is referring to A? This means this A itself is called as R. So that same A is having one more name R. So you can call this value with name A as well as with R. So now you have two names for the same value inside the memory. So it means if that variable A is occupying 2 bytes of memory, let us say 200 is the address and 201 2 bytes and value 10. Now what is the address of A? 200. What is the address of R? That is also 200. So it means if I print using cout A, I'll get the value 10. And if I say R++, then this means this value is increased to 11 because the same value is R now. So address of R is also 200. If I say cout R, then it will print value 11. So the same value. If I again say cout A, then I'll get same value 11. So a reference is nothing but another name to a variable. Now the question is, why do you need another variable to a same variable? When you already have with the name A, why do you want another name R? So basically this is useful in parameter passing. And this is very useful feature of C++. For writing small functions, we use references instead of using pointers. So when we learn about the parameter passing, that time I'll explain you what is the usage of reference. Right now in my example program, if it's a simple main function, in this I don't need reference because already I have A, I can use A. But for explanation, I have used the simple code, what a reference means. A reference is nothing but another name given to a variable. So the actual name is A and this is alias of, so R is just another name of A. Now that's it about reference. So what is reference, how to declare it and how to initialize it, I have explained. Now what is the actual purpose of reference? We will see that in coming videos where I will talk about functions and parameter passings. So that's all in this video.